Hello everyone, welcome to week 1 of e-learning. We are going to be continuing the same lessons that we would have been doing in school. However, they're going to be done a little bit differently. Each week I will post a video similar to this where I go over what we're going to be doing that week. And I will also do my best to post a weekly planner for you, which will say like what we're reading, roughly the assignments that are due, but mostly you're going to have day-by-day assignments posted via Google Classroom. All of your work to not only be marked present, but to receive credit must be turned in to Google Classroom, okay? No exceptions to this. Do not send me emails with your pictures or whatever unless there's a problem with Google Classroom, okay? Everything should be going through Google Classroom. So what we're going to do this week is we're starting Unit 4, which I know some of you have already taken notes on Unit 4, and that's fine. So you have a step ahead in what we're going to be doing. You're going to watch videos, watch the 2 videos I posted about the Unit 4 notes. You're going to actually take notes in your notebook, however you would normally do that with class. Now, in order to turn this assignment into me, you're going to either take pictures of your actual notebook or your handwritten notes, or you're going to take screenshots of your online textbook, which is very fine, or if you've done notes in a Google Doc, that's also fine. However, the notes should be your own. Plagiarism is still a thing with this class. If I find that you've plagiarized an assignment, you will not get credit for that assignment, okay? With the other assignments for this week, you're going to be reading 3 different poems. 2 are relatively short and the other one's a little bit longer, and you're going to be annotating those. Now, when you do your annotations, what do I mean by annotate? I mean you are answering all of the notice and note questions in the margins of your book, the things we would normally do in class where it says, annotate this or find this in the passage, and then it asks you to analyze or evaluate or summarize or whatever it asks you to do right under that. You're going to do that in the margins of your textbook. To receive credit for this assignment, you're going to take pictures of your handwritten annotations in your book, or again, screenshots of what you've done online, and you're submitting them to Google Classroom. Everything is submitted through Google Classroom, no exceptions. I want to give you a fair warning. That's roughly what our week is going to consist of, but I want to give you a fair warning. We will be doing quizzes, and we're going to do more quizzes now that we're not in class than we were when we were in class. So essentially, each reading that we have will have a quiz that goes with it. I will tell you in advance what time that quiz will take place. For example, I might say we have a quiz next week on Wednesday. You need to be available to take the quiz at 12 noon. Okay. I might give you the option to either take the test at 11 a.m. or 2 p.m. or whatever I say in advance, so that you have 2 windows of opportunity. But I haven't quite decided that. But it'll definitely be, you'll only have an hour to take the quiz, or a half hour to take the quiz. It'll be timed, and if you don't do it, you don't receive credit, and I'm not posting multiple links, okay? There will be a possibility of me doing office hours if any of you if you really feel like you're struggling and an email isn't going to cut it for you and you want to meet me. If I post like, hey, I'll be in Starbucks or I'll be in Caribou from this time to this time, you're more than welcome to come visit me, ask me questions, whatever. But those won't necessarily be every week. It'll be as needed or whenever I'm going to Starbucks or Caribou. Yeah, that's about it. For those of you that were struggling with the online textbook, I will resend invitations tonight. But if you have your hard textbook, I wouldn't worry too much about getting the online access. It's helpful, yes, but everything has to go through Google Classroom anyways, so it's not a huge deal, okay? Have a great week. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to contact me via email. Bye, guys.